very small. Look at these fixtures. The sub-basement. Yeah, you get a cab. There's a phone. Very small elevator. Dust island. Look at these fixtures. I have to catch the other one since the other one goes up to 4. Door closes in the instant. Wow, nice motor. Beautiful. Bumpers. A big handrail. Look at these fixtures. Here we are now. Whoa. Got the original electric eye and bumper. Now look at this. Here's the other one. Alright, this is the elevator that goes higher than that one. And that, I guess, the Ironfront at 1011 East Main Street. Look what we have. An old Dover. It's identical to the other one. We have floor lockouts, so I don't know how high we're going to be able to go. Let's see here. The floor works. The fan's annoying. Look at the expiration date on that. We'll close instantly. Okay, cab view. It's a beautiful old Dover elevator. Look at these fixtures. There's the alarm bell. Stop. Door open. 1,500 pound capacity. Yeah, look at that expiration date. Look at this floor. The floor is 234 and we're locked out. Let's get the electric eye. Look at this button. This is a bumper. It doesn't really work very well. Alright, and there's the electric. It has the original electric eye, and there it goes, and that's it.